how to make an AI video using Google AI Studio. So I'm going to show you how you can use Google AI Studio to make this kind of videos. Now the first thing we need is that we're going to use ChatGPT to come out with an image prompt. So I will copy this prompt. In the previous video I already talked about Google AI image generation, so we're gonna use this to generate our image. I will set it 16:9 and let's generate 4 images with this. Alright, so these are the images. So as you can see, it's not ultra realistic, it's a little bit more of like cartoon style, but it's okay. I'm gonna get this one, so I will download that image. As you can see, this is our image. I mean, the detail is pretty good. And now we're gonna go back to Google AI Studio. By the way, you can just search it on Google, and we're gonna go to generate media here, and then we're gonna click on VEO. This is where you're gonna create your videos. Just upload the image, and you can describe what is happening in the image and what kind of video you want. You could even leave it blank if you want to. I'm gonna write the fisherman. Okay, so this is an example. I'm gonna just click on run. By the way, the number of results, you can change it to 2 or 3 or even 4. Alright, so Google AI Studio or VEO already generated our AI videos. Let's watch it together. I mean, that's a very complex video though. Let's look at the number 2. So this is very weird, guys. It's very weird. Okay, let's try other images. We're gonna do a very simple one. I think that is too hard for Google VO AI video to generate. Okay, let me try generate the AI image without the prompt. Let's play the video. I mean, it's pretty good, definitely better than the prompt. Alright, I've generated a new prompt. We're gonna try this. Okay, I just pasted the prompt and we're gonna see what the image will come up with. Wow, look at that. It's pretty realistic though, you can see. Now we're gonna generate a video using that AI image we just generated. The gorilla stands and hit his chest. We'll try this. Okay, so the gorilla just stand. It didn't, hit his chest though. Maybe I wanna change this to the gorilla stand and beat his chest hard. Okay, now he beat his chest, but now he didn't stand up. Okay, I'm confused now. Okay, so far I think other two are still better, guys. I will rate it maybe 6 out of 10 for this Google AI. It's not as good yet. And let me know what do you guys think down below. Make sure to like this video, comment, share, and subscribe.